It's too good to be true. Oh, baby. She can see the city lights, and she shook before the moon. And cheers her daddy, and the lights were daddy exposed. Sister, always be a good girl, act in the place. I don't care what it's telling you, if it's too good to be true, probably is. And heart's an easy thing, come to an old silver tongue. Always seem to be, yes, I am. So what's love? So happy. You know, thankful if it's too good to be true, probably is. In the 68 she walks to the corner down to the river, and she's like golden hot morning sun. She could walk love and four boys together, and then we died like some fun. Like now everybody knows the reason for the fall. When I'm tempted land, paradise is all. Landed on the temple maid, and took me for a ride. And like a weary my soul, I need a place to hide. She walks through the corner down to the river, her hair shone golden hot golden sun. She took from love and four boys together, and left me down like rocks on the run. Like glass of wine and pour a fire so we'll talk about the world and the friends we used to know. I've seen the strange girl that laid me on the floor, and scared me over at the house right by the door. She walks to the corner leading down to the river, her hair shone like golden hot golden sun. She took all love and four boys together, and then we died like rocks on the run. Like fall, like fall, like rocks on the run. She was 17, pretty girl to see. But now she's gone away, and it gives me dreams. This innocent smile, so pretty for a while. It's like a new day, it's raining away. I've seen your heart get away. Well, he ran up to Virginia around the Eaststone Bridge. Now he was sure to be free. Long coming Marshall, gun in his hand, said, Johnny, come on, baby. Johnny, come on, baby. from traveling to the east to the west, from the north and the south and down. When the sun comes up tomorrow, the brings our heart down. Join to stay in the ground. Don't let your heart swing down.
Something about the Tennessee Vols playing a lot, I don't know. Bloomington, Kentucky.
Alabama fans love this song.
Alabama fans love this song. We got any Alabama fans here tonight? You're gonna love this. We're gonna do it just for you guys. That's for sure. This will be our last song for this set. Make sure you get in those Smokies, folks, to see everybody in there. Also, don't forget the Skyfly over there. Also, the Tip Buckets, folks. We appreciate you coming by and visit them. They're awful lonesome tonight. So if you'll come by and visit them, we appreciate it. We have a big goal for tonight. Our goal is to get a sleeve of crackers and a pound of bologna. So we appreciate you help us out. Here's an old song y'all might recognize. This one called The Rocky Top.
Down in Tennessee here. Ain't no fun, it's no gold. Rocky Top, there ain't no telephone bills. One side had a girl low, Rocky Top half there, the other half cat. One in the street and so pop, now swing, ring about that. Rocky Top, you'll always be home sweet home to me.
Alright, folks, on the chorus, when I say Rocky Top, you're supposed to throw your arm up in the air and go, woo! Let's try that. Rocky Top. If you didn't know, that's also the Tennessee mating call.
Once two strings climbed on Rocky Top, looking for a million shine steel. Trade his anchor down from Rocky Top, drinking never will. For a long going on low, Rocky Top turns to Rocky Top. That's why all the folks on Rocky Top, they get their corn from old Smokies jar. Rocky Top. your tip buckets, please and thank you.
Hey, ma'am, if you'll send us a big copy of that video, I thank you for dancing, ma'am. I appreciate that. Send us a copy of that. That was wonderful.